Hi, for those individuals who have the Grey Cook band, the band you might have got it from my office, I'm going to show you a hip hinging with assistance of the band in tall kneeling. So that's basically both knees on the ground. So first, you're going to take the band and you're going to place the band inside the door and then shut the door. Then you'll place yourself inside the band, place it right above where those hip bones are. You're gonna take up the slack, you're gonna go on your knees, and you're going to now rock your butt back down towards your heels and back up. So butt back down towards the heels and back up. So that's hip hinging with the band. And as you come up, you're thrusting the hip forward using your glutes and your core. You can do that 10, 15 times, and this is working on the hip hinge. Thank you.